Hello, welcome back to the channel. Coming up in this episode.
Power! One of the guys was like, yeah, you'll be fine, you'll be alright going through there. The other two were like, what are you doing? Shit! It's dead.
It's dead.
Well, you know this is going to be good, so let's get into it. Cue the intro.
Here comes the helmet head. Will he do it?
Come on.
Oh, yeah. Power! Power! Power!
Whoa! It's a psychic. Come on.
That is awesome. I'm grinning, you know, from ear to ear. I didn't tell. One of the guys was like, yeah, you'll be fine, you'll be alright going through there. The other two were like, what are you doing? that was brilliant. Honestly, my heart is racing.
Mine is as well.
That was so much fun.
I'm
that was
sweating.
Awesome. That was awesome.
Mr. Dazza.
I'm glad I went first, that's all I can say.
So am I, because we realised where you got stuck, that means we can give it more power.
You can go over the other side, yeah.
The next is this.
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
which the camera probably doesn't do justice.
It doesn't do that. That is proper slippy steep. Right, you're going first.
Okay.
Here we go. This is Darren going to go up here. It's a lot worse than it looks. Oh, first time!
Easy.
Monkey will show you how it's really done now.
Go. Oh yes. Power! Ooh, careful. Gonna give that. That's it, come on. Power. Let's go, this little mountain goat wants to go for it.
Go on, you little goat, you can go.
Ooh, puddles. Got a little stream above coming up.
Ah, look, this is child play now,
Ooh!
isn't it?
Yeah, at the minute. We've got some more big crossings coming up though. Big hole on the right. Get across to the left if you can. Oh, fucking hell.
How am I supposed to get to the left?
Right, big water crossing.
How big?
Long one. Oh, you shit the bed. I've beached the bike out. Come on, baby.
Is this the water crossing you're talking about?
I don't know. Come on, baby. Shit. It's dead.
It's dead.
That's dead.
Come in, mate, I'm coming to save you.
Ugh.
Oh shit, you're right. Shit. Oh shit, my camera's in the water.
You're joking.
And my
You
boot's
dropped it?
full of water.
Yeah, my boot's full of water.
Like not a little bit, but like full. Shit to the bed.
Oh,
I can't get off, I'm grounded. Ah!
right. Let's see. Let's see if it's going to start.
Shit!
Yes! The Vespa's running.
Come on, baby! Come on! Come on! Come on!
Oh, jeez Louise.
My boot.
Might have to go back and help him. Oh.
That looked easy.
Oh. The Vespa started again.
I'm just going to have to lie down for a minute. Look, my boot full of water out.
Are we not going to go and help Mr. Dazza?
Yeah.
Oh, Vespa, stay there. Oh, he's coming. Here he comes, look.
Is he coming?
He's doing it. It's up over his front wheel nearly. Come on, Mr. Dazza.
Come on, Mr. Dazza! Come on. What a legend. What a legend. Is your boots full of water? Mine are.
My underpants are. I don't think it's water.
Well, your bike's running in again. It died,
Yes.
it started. I got stuck there, my boot's full of water. Whoa. And you reckon we've done what, 2 miles of it so far?
Guess, I don't think we've done a great chunk of it. And round here there's more water.
Is that?
Yeah,
What, deeper?
I don't know. I'm sticking in the middle, it doesn't seem too bad.
Alright.
Fine, that's fine, that's fine. And more water and more stuff coming up. Oh, sugar. Oh.
I believe in you. You can do it.
Whoa,
Which side's best?
don't know.
You stuck?
Yeah.
This is like a cliff face, isn't it, riding over?
Yeah, I'll cut out.
Do you want me to go through and push you? You stay on it, I'll push you from the back of the bike.
Fucking hell. Come to the right, I think. That's better. All my boots are full of water now. Oh, that was over the top of all my boots.
Well, it's not better. Fucking hell.
No, it was...
Fucking hell, that's not better, mate.
Honestly, that left.
Dude. I'm gonna...
Oh.
Shit. Gun it! Gun it! Gun it!
And there's more water
Shit.
up ahead.
Gun it! Yeah!
Yes, baby.
I got cramp. I got cramp.
Right, Mr. Danson's got to come through. He's doing it.
Is he doing it?
He's through. Woo!
You ready? You going first again?
No. You can go first.
Ready? Oh.
Oh,
I'll just have to gun it, mate. I'm going to go where you are.
go on.
I'm not entering it from that dip. Gun it! Gun it! Gun it! Gun it! Gun it!
Go on.
Yes! Something there some more!
Right. Come on, Vespa. Let's see if you can do it this time. No, I've died.
I died again!
Yeah. She don't like...
So just so we're correct,
Yeah.
the monkey bike's the best.
No.
Off-road tyres, Mad Maxed, and you've ended up pushing it.
Let's be fair, it's not really designed for water crossings, is it?
Come on, admit the truth, admit the love for the monkey.
No.
There's a big, massive hole in that one.
Is there?
No, it's not. It's actually a lot. It's quite easy.
Yes!
Oh, Mr. Dazza. Oh. Yeah, he's done it.
Yes! Woo! She's still going.
Is there a shop along the way?
Oh.
Get some more water.
Can we get a pint somewhere?
That's even better. Really cold pint.
Oh, like a little kiosk.
Yeah.
Where you could get a pie and a pint. That would do well now, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
I'm going to go left. Let's have a look.
Left good?
Yep.
Left good?
Yeah. Left's good. Oh yeah, we're back into some better stuff now. Saying that, he looks a bit gnarly coming up, mate.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm alright, we're alright.
You alright?
Yeah.
Need a man kiss?
No. Let's keep going. No man kisses just yet.
Oh.
Well done, little Vespa, come on. Oh. More water coming up, doesn't look too bad. Yeah, alright. More water. I'm gonna wait for you guys to catch up. Actually, my boots are actually full of water.
Yeah, so mine. Yeah, I just feel squelch.
Yeah.
Squelch. My mouth's dry, so I'm sweating it out.
Here he comes, let's go. Right. Yep.
Good to the right.
Yes, follow my line, that was good.
I'm following your line. Well, going all over the place, but I'm on my way.
Jesus. Right, we're going to have a look at this one, mate. So this is the next big water crossing. Not sure how we're going to do this. I'm going to go and give it a walk first to see if we can get a line in it and how deep it is. So at the minute, I mean, this is a big walk crossing. This is up over my boots. Yeah, this is, oh, big rocks. This is up over my shins now. This is coming up to my knees. That's my knees. That's my knees in the water, look. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh no. Look, that is, my knees are below the water level. So now we've got to get across here. Well, I wouldn't even try and ride it through. You're going to suck all that water up into your engine.
Really?
Yeah, honestly, don't. Let's just push them through. You're going to lock your engine up. Right. This is going to have to be teamwork to push them through. That's honestly, seriously, that's up over my knees. That'll go straight into your air intake.
Teamwork.
Come on then.
First ever time. Half time.
Right, we've taken a shortcut across the river and gone up to this really boggy area. I managed to manhandle Alan's bike up here, and now he's going to try and ride through the bog of doom.
How steep that bit there? Where Darren is. No, not that bit.
Oh,
There's a big...
yeah, it drops off quite a bit. I think you just got to go for it. Yeah. Into the bog of doom. Go on, monkey. Back's in the dump.
Back's in the dump.
Hold on, mate.
We lift back.
And the front's nearly in again.
Up.
Come on, boys.
Oh, I'm going in. I'm going down. I've got my foot stuck.
Am I going to have to come and give you a hand?
Hold on. Hold on.
Back to it again.
And we stopped.
You know that I'm the queen of overthinking. It's like we're done before we even started. So if this is the end now, baby, know that I